people was having an online banter. One of them saw that he was losing and he rushed to sue the other one. B-Lord and that other guy was having an online banter. Both of them have said and done provocative things to each other. They have said and they have done provocative things to each other. The other guy, who is a supposed activist, saw that he was losing and he rushed to sue the other one using the oppressive system of this country against B-Lord. An activist though. That activist told his followers not to patronize B-Lord, that B-Lord is a thief. Imagine if B-Lord had sued him for damaging his brand. Just imagine if. We have all seen how so many big brands have arrested so many people for speaking bad about their brands. But B-Lord did not arrest that other guy for speaking bad about his brands, okay? He did not do that because B-Lord is not an oppressor. I hate oppression. How can you call yourself an activist and you are using the same oppressive system of this country? How? This activist has been to prison numerous times. So let him not think that he's winning. No. He's just showing the world that he's also an oppressor like Nigerian leaders. This fight between B-Lord and the other guy has nothing to do with Igbo people, yes. But why am I seeing my Igbo people rejoicing that B-Lord is in prison? I'm seeing so many of them making comments like, Elon Musk. He said he's Elon Musk. If you are rejoicing that a young Igbo boy is in prison, but you are angry that Cubana and Cubana chief priest betrayed Igbo people by joining City Boy movement, you a hypocrite. You are angry that Cubana betrayed Igbo people, but you are rejoicing that B-Lord is in prison. You want loyalty that you cannot give. Life does not work that way. Don't rejoice when other people meet their lowest points. Don't rejoice when other people hit the rock bottom. B-Lord will come out and he will still remain a multi-millionaire. And B-Lord was right to turn down Phino's request. It's not pride. It's self-respect. How do you bring a stranger to Ali Igbo and you are begging that stranger in Ali Igbo to forgive an Onyibo in their own soil, in B-Lord's own soil? That's a slap in the face. You people are just giving that guy morale. The same set of Igbo people who are rejoicing that B-Lord is in prison is the same set of people that will come out to tell you that Igbo people are not united. Igbo people don't love themselves. It's the same set of people. Just because you like someone does not mean that when they do wrong, you applaud them. No. Sometimes make use of your brain. Maka eziokwu bụ ndụ.